So here are the strings, they're all labeled and they're gonna go in here and we're gonna loop them. I never done this before, this is my first time. So we're gonna loop them and then we're gonna wind them in up the top. All right, just to give you an idea of what I did, I looped them around twice, each one of them. I'll demonstrate that now. So this is how you put it on, or how I put it on for the first time. Okay, we're gonna do the first loop. And then we're gonna bring it underneath once, and then twice. Like that. And we're just gonna pull on it until it looks like this. So you have 2 loops. So that's not going anywhere. And then we're just gonna wind it at the top as we do normally. What I'm doing is I'm leaving this at the top so we can have a tighter grip on it so it doesn't come out of tune so easily.